You are going to love the 2012 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, Bluetooth, floor mats, cruise control, daytime running lamps, reading lights, power rear liftgate, map lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.